Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a .NET app running on Kestrel to another VPS, full guide step by step clearly. Start by preparing your new VPS for the .NET app transfer. Log into your new VPS using SSH. Update the package list by running the command sudo apt update. Install the .NET runtime and SDK if they are not already installed. To do this, follow the official Microsoft documentation for installing .NET on Linux. Once .NET is installed, create a new directory for your application. Use the command dir/my.NET-app. Next, copy your application files from the old VPS to the new one. You can use SCP or RSINC for this purpose. The command for SCP looks like this: SCP or user at old_VPS_IP/path/to/your/app/my.NET-app. After copying the files, navigate to the application directory using cd/my.NET-app. Restore any necessary NuGet packages by running .NET restore. Configure your application settings, such as the environment variables. You can set these in the terminal or create a systemd service file. If you're using a database, ensure the connection strings are correctly set for the new environment. After configuring your app, build it using the command .NET build. Run your application locally to verify it works with .NET Run. If everything is functioning, it's time to set up Kestrel. Create a new systemd service file in /etc/systemd/system. You can name the file myapp.service. Open the file in a text editor with sudo nano /etc/systemd/system/myapp.service. In the service file, define the following: set working directory to /my.NET-app. Set exec start to .NET/path/to/your/app.dll. Set restart to always to ensure it restarts on failure. Save and close the service file after editing. Next, start the service using the command sudo system-start myapp. Enable the service to start on boot with sudo system-enable myapp. Check the status of your service to ensure it's running using sudo system-status myapp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.